Hi, what's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Pendo. Yeah, I hope Nko fiti. I'm all good. I'm at home and the sun is sunning. The sun, it's sunning. Yeah. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and like, comment, and share. Don't mind about the background. It's cows. I'm at home. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna shoot the farm. I'm just gonna walk in the farm, so it's a walk in the farm. Yeah, so come with me to the farm at home. This is the bucket as you go, and as you can see, that's the store. Then of course we've planted maize. It's the season. Yep, so as you can see, this is the season, and yeah, we've planted maize, and yeah, there's maize and beans, of course. Bado hazijaanza kuweka, they are still yet, or they are yet to wekelea the flowers. Yeah, here over here we have a banana. Of course, there's no family farm that has no banana. Yeah, and some trees, of course. There are trees, a lot of trees, of course. Yeah, the farm is actually so big, like goes beyond there, that side, and then that side. So I'm here with the kids. We are just here, and then there's this avocado tree. There's this one, and also that other one. That other one that you're seeing over there, it's an avocado. Yes, we had a purple tree over there, but it was cut. I think it I don't know what happened to it, but anyways, it was there. So there are more trees over there, more maize up to that side. Like you can see this end, cause mind is shamia. So there's that avocado tree, and then this one also. So there's like a pathway. This one. This is like a pathway that leads to anywhere that we want to go to. There's also another avocado tree over there, and I'm here with my kids. Say hi. 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 Yes, this is my sister. Another one. Say hi. Mbia watu sasa. Mbia watu sasa. And then there's this one, my nephew, and here is our neighbor. Yeah, so there's also this guava tree. Lazima tuko na mapera because of the kids, you know. Yeah, there are a lot of guavas. So let me just get onto the tree and get some guavas. Yeah, so I'm trying to get some. I'm trying to get some guavas. It's too high. And siwezi panda. Ona bege kubwa. Kubwa. Kula. Oh, it's good. And here it is. Yeah. So yeah, this one. I've got these two. They're really sweet. So sweet. Home is the best. Yeah. So over here we have this cow. It's an orange tree, but it is yet to wekelea flowers. Like it has started, but it doesn't have any fruit as of now. But I think they're almost. They'll be there. They'll come. These are the flowers of the orange tree. It's kind of small, it's not that big. I think that's how they are. Yeah, it's not that big, but anyways, it has sweet, 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 sweet oranges. Yeah, we've eaten a couple of times. Yeah, so it's good. Another banana plant over there. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, so those ones are up there. So over there, I really can't go there because it's kind of scary for me because the maize, they are really grown and I don't want to go there. So there's also some napier grass because of the cows. And then down there, there are more trees. It's like a bonding in Teremko. So I really can't go there. I'm scared of going there alone. Yes, there are more trees over there. And yeah, we have a beehive down there. I can't really go there because I'm scared. Kuna beehive over there. Uko chini, teremka. Around that tree, chini kiasi, there's a beehive. I think there are two. They really have some nice honey. Yeah, there are more bananas down there, as you can see. Yeah, more of maize again. It's really big and it goes beyond, but I really can't go there because I'm telling you guys, I'm scared. So this is it. Okay, that way. Yeah, so those ones are up there. I have my little sister here. I don't know what she's doing. Unafanya nini, baby? She's not even scared at all. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, so guys, yeah, I'm still eating the guavas. I'm going to eat a lot of them. Yeah, I don't mind about the background. Those are just kids. Yeah, they're really sweet. And there's no need of washing them. Lazima, kwani ninaosha? No, we can't really wash them. Just eat them like that. So there are really a lot of guavas that are ripe. And I think I'm just going to panda myself so that I can take them and go eat. Yeah, but anyways guys, that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share. Yeah, comment down below what you like doing in the farm. For me, I like coming to this guava tree and with some guavas. Lazima tukule mapera. So guys, please subscribe. Yeah, and I also have another YouTube channel at her_diary. Please consider subscribing as well to that channel. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching this video till the end. May God bless you and bye.